Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install beef in your termux. So this video is only for education purpose, so be safe. So I already shown this video guys. I already shown this video in my, there is a previous video. One of our subscriber is getting error, so I will making this video again. So I will show you the full tool without any error. So let's be start. So before that, for starting, for you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. Okay, and just press enter. It will update. It will update your tool, guys. Sorry, it will update your terminal. See, guys, it's already updated. So after that, you have to give the permission for your storage. For that command, you have to type termux, okay, hyphen setup, again hyphen store storage. Okay, press enter. Okay, you can make allow. If you make ls now, sorry, if you make ls, you can see here, okay, the storage. Okay, after that, I in the description I given some file, guys. Installer.sh. okay, download that one and go to your file manager. Okay, go to your file manager and you can see here it is in the download directory. You have to put in outside, don't put in any files, this type of files. Okay, you have to put in the outside of directory. Okay, so installer.sh. okay, after that, go to your terminal, cp for the copy and slash st card and slash installer.sh. so you have to go here, you can just type here sh and you can give the dollar sign home and slash again and press enter. Okay, after that, make ls. You can see here installer.sh, it's in sudo permission. Okay, after that, bash. Okay, bash and installer.sh and press enter. It will take some time in your terminal, guys. It depends on your internet speed, so it will take some time. See, guys, it's installing the package. See, guys, it's processing now. It's installing the beef tool. So this tool is a very easy installation process, guys. So you can install this process. You can install this tool easily without any error. See, guys, it's cloning the beef. It will do everything automatically. See, guys, it's installing. It will install every package, guys. See, the first again installed. You can see here one of our subscriber getting this error. It will install every packages and every language, every tools. It will install automatically. No need to worry. See, guys, you can see this beef. It's successfully installed. You can see now. See, I can So before that, running this tool, you have to make some edit here. So you have to install pkg install nano. You have to install this tool nano, the editor. Okay, after that you have to make ls cd beef. You have to go change the directory, go in this directory and make nano. And it's the tool, where's the tool, config. Okay, copy this one. You have to change your login details. Okay, it's now in the default. You can see here, it is in default. The username is beef and the password is the beef. Okay, it's in the default. You can change any type of your name or password. You can change anything. For example, you can change like this beef. I will put it in the default. So after that, control o, enter, control x. Okay, it's now saved. Okay, after that just run beef. Sorry, you can make cd. You have to come outside of this directory and run beef. See, it's showing the bundle installed. You have to just copy this one, copy this. Guys, if you're getting this type of error, okay, if you're getting this type of error, I will show you. See, we fixed each and every error of beef. Okay, you can easily install this one in your termux, guys. So I'll first finish this one. Afterwards I will show you what's that error and how we can solve it. Okay, one you can see like this. So before that I will show you what's that error and how we can solve that one error. So before that one, you can see here, if you run beef, see guys, you can see here easily, if you run beef, it will not run. It will show you this type of error. Okay, run the bundle, install the missing gems. Okay, so before that we have to go in the cd and the beef. You are now in the beef directory. After be in the beef directory, just copy this one. This one is a command, guys. Just copy this one, just copy from here. Okay, copy it and just paste it here and press enter. That's it. It will install this all tools. After that, just run beef. Now you can see easily. Now you just run the beef. Now see guys, the beef is running. So it is telling for us its password is default. So you will change that password. No need to worry. Just nano and you will change this password. Okay, so I will change the password. So for example, I will put password cool and the password for a user, I will put the cool and the password is good. For example, I'm showing for you. For control o, enter, and control x, and just go back to outside of this directory and I will clear the terminal. Okay, you can see clearly now. If I make ls, we are outside of the beef directory. Just run the beef now. See guys, it's running successfully. Okay, without any error and without anything. Okay, I will show you. So just copy this one, the last command. Just copy this one and just go to any browser, guys, Google or the Chrome or Godak or any browser. Just go there and just copy this link and just paste it here. You can see here now it's running successfully. Okay, the username and the password. The username I given it the cool and the password is just good. Okay, so invalid. So I will put the, see guys, we can see here it's successfully running. Okay, see guys, we are successfully running this tool. You can see many more things here. Okay, for example, the zombie, the auto run. Okay, you can see many more things here. We are successful. This video is only for education purpose, so thanks for watching guys.